Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to a chat room on Upwork. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite your project manager to help you onboard a new contractor. How do you actually invite them to your Upwork chat room? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're first going to access the chat room like this right here. And then on the right hand side, you want to click on this toggle view conversation info button. Next, from this page here, you're going to be able to see like a drop down menu. It says activity timeline, but this is a toggle menu. And then you need to scroll down to where it says people. So yours might look like this, just go back, or yours might look like this. Just go back. These are all toggle menus, but go ahead and click on the people toggle menu and then click on add people. So now you can type in the name of the coworker that you want to invite into this chat room, and then the permissions that you can give them are room admin or room member. So I'm going to give them a room admin permission, but we'll just go ahead and invite my coworker named Maria. And then with that, we'll click on invite. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone to your chat room on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.